So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Trade alert. Magnolia at Northport na naman po kabola ang may ginawa pong trade kabola. Nakakadalawa na itong Magnolia dito sa Northport. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito muna tayo sa Sam News kabola. Eastern Coach, Hong Kong Eastern Coach Menzur, gusto niya daw po maglaro ulit sa PBA yung kanya pong team, and we are also hopeful na makakalaro po ulit sila kabola. Again, yung kanila pong presence sa PBA is a positive thing kabola. They bring something new, they bring kabola that home and away type of picture kabola that the PBA badly needs to freshen it up kabola. JV Mocon, nag-send po siya ng extension with NLEX Road Warriors, who is having a good run dito po sa elimination round kabola. So deserve naman ito ni Mocon. Of course, NLEX traded po something to get him, so hindi na nakapagtaka that they will extend him kabola. So ito na nga po yung trade. William Navarro, papunta po siya ng Magnolia in exchange for a package of Abueva at saka si Balanza and a second round pick kabola. I was speechless, di ba? Nung nakita ko to. Of course, hindi lang ako. Halos lahat po na nakakita dito kabola knows that Magnolia clearly wins this exchange kabola. Di ba? They clearly wins this exchange kabola. Kasi po, pag titignan mo pa lang po sa numero kabola, currently Navarro is having a monster run. Kahit pa for sure tatalo po yung Northport, 20.6 points po siya ngayon. Double average na. 10.6 rebounds, 1.9 assists, 1.1 steal. This guy is currently a top 10 player minimum in this tournament kabola. And they traded him for a 37 years old veteran. That is hard to believe. Paano po yung tinanggap ng trade committee po ng PBA? Paano, diba? Kabola, how? Anong klaseng lente yung ginamit nila? Anong klase pong magnifying glass yung ginamit nila to explain to themselves, kabola, na itong package po na Abueva, Balanza, and a second round pick is enough for a Navarro, who is currently averaging double-double, kabola, kahit hindi siya sentro, kabola. Diba? This guy, Navarro, is legit. This guy may even be better than Sub Lucero. Is currently the top player of Magnolia Hatchets, pero they allow it nang pupunta po siya ng Magnolia for Calvin Abueva kabola, diba? Even fans kabola who are not that much aware about Navarro kabola, when they saw the trade, konti lang yung nag-defense, diba? Nag-defend po sa trade na to. I know what Magnolia is trying to do, diba? They are trying to use the name of Abueva as a defense on this trade kabola, pero even yun hindi kinakagat ng fans, kasi alam po ng fans kabola that Abueva is already very very old. He's currently averaging 8.4 points, 5.4 rebounds. Yes, the playing style is still there, the energy is still there, the versatility is still there, pero production is pretty obviously not there already. Hindi na po siya starting caliber player. So you're telling me a non-starting caliber player kabola, ito pong bench player, as in bench player po na si Balanza kabola. Again respect to him, diba? Pero currently yung trade value niya po pang bench player and a second round pick, katapat po kabola ng currently top 10 player dito sa tournament sa Philippine Cup kabola. Wow, diba? That's very very hard to accept. That is very very hard to defend kabola. And again, fans are again stating how disgusted they are with the league kabola. Hindi ko maintindihan dito sa PBA kabola, di ba? Nag-ask na nga sila additional second round pick, ba hindi pa nila tinatlo, di ba? Para at least magmukha parang 5 yung binigay, di ba kabola? Parang ganun. Grabe naman kasi pag, di ba? Grabe pag ganitong trade kasi makikita ng mga fans, di ba? Alam na nilang farm team trade kabola. Ang isa pa kasi yun, parang sinasampal mo kasi na tanga sila. Di ba? Yan yung point din eh. Sinasampalin mo sila na parang tanga sila kasi gusto mong accept sa kanila that this exchange is fair, when in reality it's clearly not. Yan yung issue kabola. Ikaw mga bola, sinong panalo sa trade ito? Comment na po sa baba.